Assalamu alaikum everybody. Uh, this is Hamza Ali, and today I'm going to show you how you can change this UI into a shimmer to use for loading or any other purpose you want. So what we are going to achieve in this tutorial is this shimmer UI that we can use on our loading in our app to make it more beautiful. So let's get started, and I will tell you all along how you can create this UI easily into a shimmer without much hassle. To add shimmer effect, we have to use the shimmer package on pubdev. So search shimmer pubdev and you can access this package, copy it, and then we are going to use it in our project. Just add it to pubspec YAML and pubget. So now we are going in the home screen, and first of all here we will create a shimmer widget that we are going to use to show shimmer effect on our home screen. So we are going to add the shimmer widget. So let's create class shimmer. I'll call it shimmer glare, and we'll extend it. It will be a stateless widget because we don't want to uh, update any state. Sorry, stateless widget, and here it is. So we will add a widget which we will wrap with this uh, shimmer glare widget. So it will be a child, and then we will let's just add the constructor from here. Required uh, this child. Okay, so now we will create our shimmer here. So return shimmer from colors. We'll use the from colors method. So the base color will be the background color for our widget, and the highlight color is the one that will uh, you know go from left to right or right to left, whatever uh, direction you will choose. So let me add a color. So I will choose base color as transparent. I don't want to show any background color or base color. And for highlight color, I will use white color with some opacity. Okay, let me so the base color will be transparent, as we don't want to show any background color with the shimmer, and the highlight color, the color that like a glare that will go from left to right or whatever direction we will choose. So it will be a white with some opacity, so that we should have some effect. And this is the child on which this widget will be wrapped. So now what we are going to do is, uh, we want to show this shimmer on this today class, because this is the first widget inside my navigation navigation bar. So this is the today class that you see here. So we will copy it and we will paste it, and I'll change its name to Shimmer today. So change its name to Shimmer today state, and I will copy it, paste it here. So okay, so now whatever widget which we want to show as a shimmer, so we will wrap that widget with shimmer glare. Okay, the custom shimmer widget that we have made for ourselves, so that we can make it in one place and use in throughout the app. So now let's add this to here. So I'll add this in the navigation bar so that we can see it side by side. So that's why I'm using it in the navigation bar. And let's run it. I have to restart it. So here is our today widget, and this is the home screen, and the this is it with shimmer effect. Look at the row on the top, that it has shimmer widget, because we have only added shimmer on this row. So now let's wrap the shimmer widget on other as well. Let's wrap it on this container, this today's progress bar container. So shimmer layer, just wrap it on whatever you want to make shimmer. Look, it is changed in the shimmer. So now I will add it on the list item as well. So the whole screen is kind of like a shimmer. So if you see the other screen, look, so whatever we have here is turned into a shimmer. And so make it more good, what we can do is, instead of wrapping this whole card, what we can do, we can wrap the individual rows or widgets inside this container. So let's wrap it on this row, and see today's progress and view more is uh, has that shimmer effect. Now let's wrap this row as well and see what we get. See, we have this progress bar uh, like this, and it has also a very good shimmer effect. Now we have this last row and wrap it it in Shimmer also. And this is our total screen converted into a Shimmer, which we can use for loading or anything else. So see how easy it is to just make it and at one place and use throughout the app, and on the existing design that you have created, and you can use it on any widget you want, and you can leave out any widget you want. So this is the screen and this is the Shimmer. So if you have liked the video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your other friends and other Flutter developers and in the community. And thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.